Hello everyone, welcome to the PPT guy. Today we'll see a tutorial about how to recreate the previous design you saw. Let's add few more slides. Let's insert the images. Now cut each image. So go to the slide, right click, format background, go to picture or text fill, clipboard. So the image becomes your background. Do the same for all three slides. Okay, now we have the background for all the slides. So go to insert, shapes, make a rectangle, draw a rectangle on top of the slide. Okay, remove the outline, then gradient fill. Okay, now in the gradient fill, go for linear. Keep only two gradients. The second gradient, put the transparency to 100% and position 100%. First gradient, put the position at 30%. Okay, now we have this effect. To insert, let's change the color to white so it would be clearly visible. Let's change the font to impact and let's give the font size 5. Now we have the alphabet. Place it at the center, that is on the left side. Let's align that. Okay, once the alphabet is ready, insert a small rectangle on top of this. Okay. The reason why you need a triangle is you cannot directly fill the text. So it would appear like this. So we'll convert the alphabet into a shape. How? Let's select the shape and the alphabet. Go to shape format, union. Okay, now we have this shape. Okay, so before doing that, so at this stage, copy everything over here. Okay, now let's start by unioning all this. Now we have a shape. Okay, so just click on slide background. Okay, now we have the image. Same, go to the second one. Instead of A, let's give B. Now B becomes shape. C becomes the shape. Now we have all the backgrounds ready. Okay. Let's include the text one by one. Now we have included content to all the slides. Let's select all the slides and apply transition. Let's use the push transition.